Page 50, exercise 1.13, also known as wedding bells. This is more exercise in playing the hands together, but in this case they're taking turns with the melody type. I guess it's a melody. In the first line, the right hand gets the quarter notes, and I'm assuming that's melody. And then in the second line, the left hand gets to take over. Something like that. So it gives us a chance to experience each hand getting the melody, because the right hand doesn't get it all the time. It has to share it sometimes. Now notice on this end, the bottom staff is back in bass clef again. So it's back down here somewhere. That's really about all it is. I don't have a lot to say here. They're playing the hands together. They're not playing the same notes. They're not mirroring each other. You have to watch out on the fingering. In the second line, in the left hand, look at the last two measures. You're here, and then you have to reach down. They say stretch. Okay, just reach down and put the second finger on the C. It's just one key, and that way you're in position for the rest of it. That's all. It's the only tricky part about this piece as far as I can tell. We're back to 4/4 time, fortunately. So the quarter notes are going to get a count again. Now let's try this out slowly and see, check your notes and your rhythms and so forth. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try this out. The right hand is starting with the third finger on that E again, here. And the left hand is starting with third finger on middle C, here. So that's where it goes. We are ready to go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.